In terms of assembling parts into finished products, in your opinion, what are the most impressive technologies that we're currently seeing, and where do you see things heading in the future?
It's a great question because it also opens up the topic of the characteristic of the current machines and robotics they have, and people don't have, for example. For example, robots are very accurate and repetitive. So they are basically very precise. Sometimes it's like, I don't know, it's 0.0001 millimeter. So imagine being an operator or being an employee in a manufacturing industry and you're doing something for 8 hours straight.
Yeah.
So if you would be able to keep up with the precision you are supposed to be kept up. So the robots is always with the same precision. So right now we see a simple schematic where people are taking out a simple ROI calculator and they try to calculate their labor costs of an employee, and they can calculate how much does a robot or a machine costs, and they can see if the cost is going to pay back within 2 3 years or 5 years, depends on the country.
Hmm.
uh, they are saying, yes, I'm investing into technology. Yeah, so that's how it is. But
Hmm.
uh, I also see a trend where people try to replace human when there is a very dangerous task. For example, it's a great example. You have a conveyor belt and you have boxes or packages that are going through that belt, and an operator needs to pick it up from the belt and place it on the pallet. It's simple palletizing operator. Yeah. But I've seen a lot of women working in that sector, and the box are more than 15 kilograms, sometimes 20 kilograms. They are heavy. So imagine the problems that could be with the backs of the women and the health. Maybe not in 1 year, but maybe in 20 years. So what will be the output doing such a monotonous job day by day, 8 hours by day hours, carrying so heavy stuff. And right now it's not about the ROI. It was, I don't know, maybe 10 years before, but it's also a tendency to take out the jobs that are, of course, financially good in some way,
Yeah.
but
Right. Right.
also that they taking the risks of potential or hazardous area like injuries.
Hmm.
So I'm really glad that it's going into that direction, because people started not, yeah, let's care about our employees. Let's do
Yeah.
it, because we need to care about them, because, maybe
Yeah.
in 10 years, we are not going to have people around us because
Hmm.
people don't want to work here. So that's how I'd say it's moving. But in terms of applications, I would see robots also, definitely applications when you need to be precise and very accurate. As I said, they can do repetitive tasks hour by hour, and they won't get bored. They are not going for a cigarette break or something. So and the last characteristics, because in terms of directions, I think I was clear enough what kind of spaces we are trying to cover up. But also another characteristics, as I said, it's that we need to be resistant to changeovers. As I said, we are producing very personalized goods nowadays, and we
Hmm.
need to be resistant to changeovers. So we need to have tools, production tools that allows us to do so. And I believe robots are the machines designed to keep up and to kept us very resistant from those very frequent changeovers. So yeah, that's it in terms of the assembling topics.